Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone in your computer with Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to the Windows setting and we can go to the start menu first and then we can go to settings. Okay, here you need to go to the time and language setting and go to the time zone here. Okay, select the time zone, and if you want to change your time zone, you need to disable the automatic time zone and also the automatic time. I'm just going to turn it off like this, and you're going to change your time zone here. As you can see, my time zone is Jakarta, and here you just need to choose the time zone you want to apply to your computer. Okay. Don't forget to disable the automatic time zone before you change your time zone, because we won't be able to change the time zone if we set time zone automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change time zone in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.